In this video, I'm going to show you how to add SSL to your domain on GoDaddy, step by step, so your website can load more securely with HTTPS. If you've just bought hosting or your site is still showing as not secure, this guide will help you set up SSL the right way using GoDaddy's cPanel tools. SSL is important because it helps protect your visitors' data, builds trust, and can even help with browser warnings and SEO. If this video helps, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more simple website tutorials. Let's get into it. First, go to GoDaddy and sign into your account. Make sure you're logging into the account that owns the domain and hosting plan, because that's where the SSL settings will be available. Once you're in, click on My Products. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of your domains, hosting services, and add-ons in one place. Now look under the Web Hosting section and click Manage. This takes you into the hosting control area for the website connected to your domain. If you have more than one product, just make sure you choose the correct hosting plan so you're working on the right site. After that, click cPanel Admin. This opens the cPanel dashboard, where most of the technical website settings are managed. If you've never used cPanel before, don't worry, we only need a couple of options here to activate SSL and secure the site. Inside cPanel, find and click SSL/TLS Status. This is the area that checks which domains or subdomains on your hosting account have SSL certificates available or installed. If your domain is listed here, that means cPanel can usually detect the SSL status and help you enable it automatically. Next, click Run AutoSSL. This is the key step that tells cPanel to automatically try to issue or refresh an SSL certificate for your domain. Depending on your setup, this may take a little time to complete. In many cases, AutoSSL will generate the certificate for your domain without you having to manually upload anything. Once AutoSSL finishes, go to the Domains section. This is where you can manage the domains connected to your hosting account and confirm that the secure version of your site is being used correctly. In the Domains area, look for the setting called Force HTTPS Redirect. Turn on Force HTTPS Redirect. This is very important because it tells your website to automatically send visitors to the secure HTTPS version instead of the unsecured HTTP version. Without this step, your SSL certificate may be installed, but your site might still open on the non-secure URL, which is not what you want. After enabling HTTPS redirect, give the system a moment to apply the changes. Then open your website in a browser and check the address bar. You should see the lock icon and the HTTPS version of your domain. If it still shows a warning, refresh the page or wait a little longer while the certificate finishes propagating. If you want to double-check everything, test both the www and non-www versions of your domain, especially if your site uses one as the primary version. It's always a good idea to make sure both versions are being redirected correctly and that the certificate is working across your full domain setup. And that's it. You've now added SSL to your GoDaddy domain and turned on HTTPS redirect so your site can load more securely. This is one of the most important setup steps for any website, whether you're launching a blog, business site, portfolio, or online store. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.